So for today, I saw this in the door. It says LBC. And also look, fidget toy, some pop, some pump it. So let's find a mystery of puppets. I like this puppet. So nice. So now let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. What a pop it. So let's get the scissors. Here's the scissors. Now here's what the pop is. So let's open it. Let's see which price I got. Oh. A dinosaur! Nice! I like some dinosaurs because I didn't saw a dinosaur puppet at all. So nice. And it's so very nice. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it feels soft. If you want, just like it because it's so soft and so soft. Now we're gonna get the other puppet. Which one I got? I want this one. It's really come true. This puppet. This is so nice puppet because it's heart puppet. Also purple and blue. Very nice. And you flip it. Let me feel what is it. It's also soft. It's like softer than a sofa. So it's very nice. So let's see what's other puppet. There's a mystery. I hope I can get it. Oh, I also get the paper, sorry. So what a puppet. So let's see what is in. I wish it's I'm gonna feel. So put it a nice puppet. So let's cut it. Anyways. Among Us puppet. So nice. My wish is I want the Among Us puppet. It's really come true. And by the way, who's invited this LBC? Who get this LBC? I will thank it and I'll subscribe it. So here now we're gonna pump. Let's feel so soft than these two ones. So soft. Now, let's see what's the other. Please, I want this one because this is so nice. I got these three. I didn't got this one, but let's see what I got. If it's two of them, let me see. What? It's this puppet. I have dreamed this before. So let's pop it. How soft is this? Well, if one's delivered, this is so nice, puppet. So nice. And it's also, let's see if it's empty. What the? It's empty. Now let's put the puppets in the inside to make it safe. Hey guys, listen to the part 2 because I am gonna have a new box over here and my friends will deliver them some Pop-Its fidget toy. So I hope you like it. Bye!